Come on, Elijah!
Once again, one way to continue the 4x400 meter relay. California All-Stars, Houston Pacesetters, St. Louis Blues, legendary. California All-Stars, Houston Pacesetters, and Dallas Takeoff, BB Ducks from the inside out. Number 3, turn stagger. St. Louis Blues off to a 2-start there in 3. And up in 7, that is Dallas Takeoff. And in the bright orange, that is also legendary running well. St. Louis Blues in the for the St. Louis Blues. And the pack forming behind her, 5 teams together.
Let's go, Aaron!
B team out in front.
Come on, Aaron!
California All-Stars. Now this is legendary. Joining the Blues outfit. Legendary Crack Club, St. Louis Blues. California All-Stars. Get to the red seconds. 2:13:56 for legendary. Houston Pacesetters 4th and 5th.
Excuse me, man. I'm sorry.
Legendary track. St. Louis Blues into California All-Stars. And Houston Pacesetters now into the 2. Legendary Crack Club down the hill straightaway. St. Louis Blues still running second. And California All-Stars are leading the third. Legendary 3:17.46. And big thanks to Pistons Finance for giving us fully automatic splits as they have the entire week, both through the Pistons events and now the 4x4 as well. Outstanding job as always. Takeaways about 150 to go. It's the legendary St. Louis Blues. This is right around St. Louis Blues. St. Louis Blues for the win, 423. 104.